So guys, you can see here this is my code of SPI slave and this is my code of SPI master. Now my master is sending the string subscribe Gettobyte, and on the slave while loop I have simply read SPI0 read block, buffer name and the size of the characters which has to be read, and this is my code. Okay, so now what problem is having, like when I reset my this master. Okay, so you can see at first it has read subscribe and then it is reading e subscribe, like it is reading the one character last from Gettobyte e and then next 10 characters, whereas subscribe space, here there is space, thus there is space, but in this there is no space. So I'm not able to get why is this happening. But on resetting the slave again, okay, now like I have reset the slave. Okay, now if master I reset it, then I receive subscribe. Okay, it's good, it's correct. But when I again reset the master, like master is sending again another string, then it is sending then it is receiving e subscribe. So like why is this e last byte of Gettobyte e, this is getting stored